Today, we're in Summerlin, Las Vegas's premier masterplan community to tour some stunning new single-story homes at Ashland by Taylor Morrison. This is a rare, all single-story neighborhood with only 92 homes planned, and as of September 2025, about 40% are already sold. If you've been looking for a mix of luxury, livability, and long-term value, this community might just be the one. Ashland has 7 unique floor plans, ranging from 2,450 to 3,306 square feet, with 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 4.5 baths, and 2 to 3 car garages. Pricing starts around $1.1 million. Today, I'm giving you a tour of the Summit, Pioneer, and Heritage models here in Summerlin. Let's start with the Heritage plan, one of the most popular at Ashland. This home is about 2,747 square feet, with 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 3-car garage. Pricing for the Heritage starts at a little over $1.2 million. The main living area is bright, open, and connected, leading right out to a covered patio through oversized sliding doors. The master suite sits privately in the corner of the home, with a spa-style bathroom and a huge walk-in closet. Next up, the Pioneer plan, designed with versatility in mind. This plan starts at around 3,216 square feet with 3 to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. And check out the chef-inspired kitchen with quartz countertops and an oversized island. It really ties the space together. One of the highlights of this plan is the flex space. It can be a home office, media room, or even converted into a multi-gen suite for multi-generational living. Finally, let's explore the summit plan. This home offers over 3,300 square feet with 3 to 5 bedrooms and up to 4.5 bathrooms. One of my favorite features of this plan is the courtyard by the entrance. It's a total wow with corner sliding doors that bring the indoors and outdoors together. The open living space flows seamlessly from the gourmet kitchen to the family room, making it perfect for gatherings. You'll love the vaulted ceilings, the multi-sliding glass doors, and the covered patio. It is ideal for enjoying Las Vegas's sunsets. The master suite sits privately in the corner of the home with a spa-style bathroom and a huge walk-in closet. What makes this neighborhood so unique is that it's all single-story homes, with only 92 residences planned, which is a rare find in Summerlin. Add in the 7 distinct floor plans, upscale finishes, and options for multi-generational living, and you can really see why so many homes have already sold. Plus, you're just minutes away from Downtown Summerlin, amazing dining, shopping, entertainment, and the beautiful Red Rock Canyon trails. If you'd like more details, want to schedule a private showing, or simply explore what's available right now, reach out to me today. This is Lauren Chen-Fu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next home tour.